everybody, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on PC. Okay, so this error is usually because of gaming services, something to do with the registry being corrupted, and it's very easy to fix. So okay, what do? You open Registry Editor, regedit, open regedit or Registry Editor, just search, and you want to look under the H key local machine. Here, H key local machine, system, services, and gaming services. Right here. So what you want to do is right click on each one of these and click delete. And then reboot your computer. So after you've done this, you want to reset the Microsoft Store. So how do you do this? Type run wsr reset.exe. Wait for this to finish. After this is done, reboot your PC once again. Reinstall gaming services. So type in gaming services. Now it's called Xbox Game Pass, and you want to install it. Or there's a different way to do it. You can run the following command. So open PowerShell. So go to search PowerShell. Right click, hit run as administrator, hit OK. I'll put these into the video description, but you copy and paste the first one, hit yes, and then you copy and paste the second one, hit yes, and then you click install and install it. Reboot your PC once again, and this should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I will do my best to get back to you.